guys, welcome to another video. So as you can see, I'm playing in ranked game. Oh, okay. I'm Twilight Gamer. Quick. Let me generate the team code so that other people can join. Oh, there is so music. I hate music in this one. Is someone unmuted? Huh? What happened? What happened actually? Huh?
I'm ready.
Aren't you guys ready?
I'm ready, but Cindy.
Oh yes, wait, let me give here class squad ranked. Sindhi is prohibited from class squad. Okay, let me give here class squad Bermuda, class squad Bermuda. Actually, I am recording, voice recording. They can hear me. Quick, Cindy. Sorry, Cindy, I had to kick you. The one I let to join, he leaves. And the one, wow, pro players are in our team. Let's see. One left the match. It is truly a, what should I say, nothing. Villain, ranked game. Hey, he's making a ranked game. Quick! Why isn't it getting connected? Oh, I won this, all of them. Oh, I am for Avon. Famous! Yay! Wait, let me stop my. Hey guys, so as you can see, we have started playing Class Squad Ranked. Just see my gameplays and also P Falcon's gameplay. He's playing with me this time. Okay, quick. Uh-huh. Okay. Let me take my GIB because I love it and I will swag now. Swag से करेंगे सबका स्वागत. Whatever, let's go ahead. Okay, I'm getting ahead. Oh, quick. Okay, here I am. There is enemy looking for enemies. Not seeing any. Hey! Someone is giving me damage. Quick heal. Oh, there is an enemy at the up. He was giving me damages. Let me. What did this girl? Hey girl, what are you doing? Oh no! What am I actually doing? Whoa! Someone gave me damage again. What? Whoa! My. It is being getting hot. Oh, someone knocked down. Oh, Mahil knocked down. Let me take heal quickly. Oh, I have to go from that side. Forgot. Whoa, there's an enemy. Okay. Head. Yeah, one head. Knocked. Huh. Came to give me head. Whoa. OP Falcon did great this time. Okay, let's go ahead. I took a vector and I will loot another vector from the enemy team if they have it, or else they will have only one desert eagle or FAMAS. But sometimes enemy also have MP5. Yeah, most of us. Oh, three of us, not two of us only took vector because we will double it. Let's go ahead. There's enemy. Did you see one enemy is at there at the window? One is at the window. Let me see where he is. Okay, here. Enemy. Okay, like this. I'll go from this side because enemy. They are very near to us, guys. I think they came very near. Oh no! They arrived from the back side and knocked Mahil. Whoa! I have to go there and take cover. Here then. Oh no! This folk. Hey! Oh, he's reviving me, guys. I'm here. Let me revive this one too. Okay, guys. So I'm reviving AOP Falcon too. Oh no! He knocked me too. Oh, my heal is getting down. Whoa! They are playing unbelievably. My net problem. Oh, we lost. On the first match we won. Oh, Azan is get Azan. I have to keep quiet. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allah. Let's go ahead. Oh, I'm waiting for the call. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. High jump. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Very near to us, very near to us. I have to go to number. Whoa! Two together knocked me. Arshadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Oh, one has double vector.
Double vector.
Oh, unbelievable.
Kill two boys, but still.
Okay, guys. So let's check another one. Two vectors. Ya Salah. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Here we are. My phone always lags when I record. I don't know why. And today I am voice recording. Oh. Hayya al falah, la hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Did you just see, guys? They were first trying to knock me at first. Whoa, I have double vector. I didn't even check. But still, I took it. I'm so fool. Oh, they have. Whoa! Who knocked me? This is not an enemy. La. Oh no, Mahir also got knocked. Oh no, it means Sumar and me, I mean OP Falcon and me, are only left. OP Falcon and Twilight Gamer. Let's. Oh, what's the enemy's name? Akboro. Akboro, I think. Aha. Whoa! He also got knocked. Unbelievable.
Shit.
He also got knocked. Headshot I gave him.
What happened to my
Fane.
My game. I get it now.
Oh no. Oh, such an unbelievable shot they gave to me. Oh, I got scared seriously after seeing those two folks. I got seriously scared. Whatever. Let's go ahead. We'll win this time, guys. We'll win. Ha ha ha. Let me take global 1, 2, 3. 3 globals are enough. This one repair kit done. I don't need TP because OP Falcon is coming, guys, as you can hear him. His net is making problem actually. He just told me. He's sitting behind me, OP Falcon. We're playing together, guys. Together. Let's go ahead. Guys, please comment below that how is my Captain Punisher bundle? How? That I exchanged with Magic Cube. In one video I saw that it is the most ignorable bundle. Oh, why am I not killing him? Oh, I killed him. He was trying to give me headshots, guys. Somehow escaped. Okay, here. The folk who tried to kill me didn't have double vector. He had only one MP5, I think, or AK-47. I don't know which gun. but he had one with nice skin. Glorious it was. Whoa! I have to go to number 1 to number 4 knocked. It means he is the enemy is near
My
number 3
recording
and
also
1.
stopped.
Oh, our OP Falcon's recording
Okay,
also
okay,
stopped.
stop.
Is he moving? Yes. I just thought that his net is. Let's go ahead, guys. Let's go ahead. My EP, as you can see, is decreasing. I got vest from him. Good loot. Whoa, wow! He gave kills with, I think, MI87. Mahil Hal. Nice, Mahil, nice. You are glorious. Let me take it. Yes. Hey. Okay, I told them.
No
I think
gun
they can
really.
take. Oh, M1014. I think Mahil killed them with M1014.
Aye.
Oh, Umair. Umair had. I mean, OP Falcon had it. Umair had it. MJ Umair 2011 is OP Falcon on YouTube and MD Umair in real life. Okay, whatever. Let's go ahead, guys. They can come or will come from this side where MG Umair or OP Falcon is trying to scope. Whoa! He's very near us. You can see in the map, guys. Very near us, guys. OP Falcon is going like a hero, and now he's going to shoot them. Oh! Someone got knocked. Means that he is very near us. Oh, there, at up. Got him. Mahil, kill him. Good, bro. Good. You are unbelievable. Go like this or else the enemies will. Oh, look at my reloads. This is getting so much. I have 490 reloads, guys. 490 reloads.
And I have 275.
Oh, there's another enemy. Yeah, I saw one. Guys, do you see? Okay, hear it.
Oh man!
No.
Hey, come revive me, man. Hey, bro, revive me.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh,
Oh.
giving me damage this time.
Please come.
Quick global.
No.
Here.
Don't give global. You can take a cover and revive me.
Okay, guys. So as you can see, I revived OP Falcon, and now I am taking cover in global so that the enemy can't beat me.
So I got damage from this side. So I think the enemy is in this side. So
Okay, OP Falcon, Mr. OP, I'm coming.
Oh man.
Where's?
No.
He was up. I think he's getting up.
Yeah, no, he's not getting up.
I think he will
I
now.
think he's coming down.
Yes, it can be.
Hey!
He will jump now. Look, he is at the up. He went to the up, I think. We have to be very careful this Prime Umair.
Okay.
Or else
Where
he's
is
going to
that
kill.
boy?
He's going to kill. Whoa, I'm getting eliminated. Take heal. We can't die so easily or else.
Hey, where is he? Okay.
We won, guys, by giving only. We won unbelievably. Hey guys, so let us take these things. Global full, grenade also, small grenade too, EP full. I don't need these things because I took them. This article is over. So guys, I took all of them, all of this. Whoa, my 530 reload. Yeah, 530 reload, guys. Can you just see? I have 530 reloads in my double vector. Wow, that's called something, guys. That's called gameplay. That's called gun. Unbelievable. 14 minutes have passed since our video is going on, guys. Okay, whatever, let's go ahead and play. Twilight Gamer gameplay with voice. With real voice, not any fake voice. It is mine. Okay, you guys. Oh, enemies at.
Hey!
Whoa, he knocked.
Hey, come here, double vector. Here is a boy with double vector. Kill him. Yes. In this house. Here, kill him.
Oh, Where am I actually beating him?
The
Someone
boy.
else knocked him actually.
And I done knocked down.
Whoa! Someone!
Hey,
Kill! Kill this girl!
Are Val, where is?
Kill this girl,
Where
bro!
is Val? He's coming.
Yes.
The
He
girl,
knocked.
she's coming.
The girl is
from
coming
that
to him.
side.
The girl is coming.
On
Oh.
that side.
Subhas, be careful! Subhas!
And he have.
Oh
He
no!
wants medkit. Then kill him. Down. He's down.
Oh no, guys! We lose, as you can see. Oh, I hope I could kill that girl. Giving her headshot, she gave me head.
And I knocked down like myself.
Platinum 1. I wanted to go to heroic. Still in. I'm best pal now. And I have also achieved 1 like. I will see my likes this time, guys. How many likes did I achieve in so many matches? Last time I saw 499 likes, then I didn't see my likes. Let me see now. Hey, wait. Evil game. OP Falcon, wait. He left the group, but why? Okay, whatever. Let us see. Wow, 508 likes. OP Falcon, wait here. I will be inspecting you. Okay, guys, here OP Falcon, and it is his UID, guys. Quick, guys, quick. Note his UID. You can send him requests and then play with him. Quick. It is OP Falcon. Quick, guys, quick. Note his UID. Ha. It's OP Falcon's UID, guys. Quick note. And if you wanna play with me, wait, let me inspect myself. Here, it is my UID. You can play with me. I'm level 40 and OP Falcon is in which level? I didn't see. He's in level 36 and I'm in 40. We two are still noob. But still we will get pro. Inshallah. Quick. I will level up my Hayato. As you can see, look guys, my Hayato's ability. It can gain how many EP I didn't see. 60 EP for each kill. And this is it is the ability of which character I forgot actually. Yes, it is Ford. No, I will not take. I will change it. Wait, let me change and let me go to Kelly character. Look, Kelly's sprinting speed is very good. Okay, that's why I will level up her.
Another lap completed.
Yeah.
Another lap completed.
Yes, as you can see, guys, I made her go to very big level. Level 3. Now dash level 3. Now she'll be able here. No, I will not buy any slot because I am not owning Kelly. I will not use Kelly. I just level up because I will give here
Everything
for the family. Okay, dash level 3 here. Let me disband the group now. I'll play another match. Only one match. Last match. Umair, send me request. There is already in a team here. Send me send me group request. I sent him join request. Let him accept. Quick, start the game. MD Umair 2011 also took Hayato. 2 Hayato is not possible. Took Hayato. No, I think my net problem is making connection because I just saw his phone. He is still with his claw, not Hayato, guys. My net problem, my mistake. Sorry, Mr. OP Falcon. Guys, I will end this video after this match, okay? Because I don't like to make so many long videos because it's difficult for me to.
Hayato.
Yeah, I told you. I'm recording, my. Don't shout so much. Hayato is not a bad character. Who told? Why are you telling this? Bro. Oh!
I will tell the truth.
जाओ
ध्यान ना बोलो.
Whoa. OP Falcon killed one. This folk was trying to kill me. Oh. Our teammates are. Oh, head. Whoa, this one knocked me. OP Falcon. Oh, no need to be revived. Silly can revive me. Taufik. 305. He was killing all of them. Wow. Marcus also played nicely and OP Falcon too. Both of them are pro. Nice gameplays. Guys, please subscribe OP Falcon's channel, my channel, and also guys, I'm going to upload another video. You know, I uploaded one video, custom 1 versus 2 and 2 versus 1, an unbelievably hard match with which gamer?
SMG King.
No, not SMG King. Dreamer Gamer, sir. Guys, not sorry. With Dreamer Gamer, guys, I saw that there were not so many views. I'll give the channel link of Dreamer Gamer in this video's description. You can just enter his channel and check. Okay, he is a master pro, guys. If you just see once his gameplay, he made a video MI87 headshots, guys. He is very super cool, guys, and I lost before him because of his headshots, guys. Me and only OP Falcon was also
come
in.
here, come here in my side. I am in
Okay.
cover. Revive me.
I have to go there, or else OP Falcon will
Fast.
will die, and then
Fast.
he is going to scold me. Okay. I'm coming to you, Mr. OP, Mr. Falcon OP. I don't know why he took her to. I think by mistake. Okay, I revived him. He didn't get killed, or else anything. Oh, one enemy went aside. As we know, guys, let's go ahead, kill that one. Oh, he knocked another. Did he knock? Where did the enemy disappear? Huh? One enemy just came up, guys. Where did he disappear? It's truly. Oh, gave damage. Here.
Hey. Okay. Hey, you don't need to care about.
Wow.
Oh, yay.
From so much far, I killed him, and I don't think that enemy understood that where was I, guys? That's why, or else I was about to get dead before.
Take blue was no.
Oh yeah. Thanks for reminding me, Mr. OP. I'm taking global. Let us go ahead and kill all of them and show them who is the king. Let's just go ahead. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm getting ahead. Let's go. Enough of funds. Let's go ahead. Here. Where is the enemy at the map? They are at the last. I think I should go from there. Whoa! There is one. I just got scared. Whoa! Someone killed OP Falcon. Oh no, not OP Falcon, Giarol. Where's that inventory? Whoa! How did he get killed, guys? He was smooth and was playing nicely. How did he get killed all of a sudden? And where is the another? Oh, there. Oh, Chrono Shield again, guys. I hate Chrono Shield because of its abilities, guys, especially.
Hey, come, man, come.
Oh, he's coming. Knocked again. Hahaha.
Down, come fast. I will be knocked down. Okay, I will be knocked down.
Victory. Oh, guys, as you can see, guys, we made victory this time also, and this Tausif and Giarul. These our teammates are playing unbelievable and amazing, guys. They will sure make us win this
The
time.
boys,
We are not gonna lose. I have full
the players
EP.
who don't wear helmet will
Always get head damage.
yes, always
Get head damage.
always gets not head damage. Always gets headshot.
Always gets
Always
head
gets.
shot. Okay, whatever. I'm making him spell the correct words. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Giarul is a girl. I thought that a boy. I don't understand, guys. Seriously, that why don't girls, that the girls characters of girls, they give skill slot. What is the Giarul doing here? Is he jogging? No. Is she jogging? Oh no, my net problem. My mistake. Huh? Again she.
Boy is coming.
Who's kidding?
Enemies coming.
Yeah. I just saw on map, man. Whoa! Whoa! He escaped just now. In front of me, but I didn't kill him.
Hey! 5 HP. Arey! I 5 HP.
Wow, so many reload I got.
Wait, Jiarul, kill him, Jiarul. What is?
Oh, you also knocked down.
He or she.
She also knocked down. She also knocked down.
Hey.
Okay, let's go. Taufik double kill. Whoa, Taufik is also playing amazing, guys. They are amazing.
Now I will only give only one kill in my because there is one. Yes, in this side there is enemy. Arey, take the
মোবাইল কি নিয়ে গেছে ভাই
I don't know, Nanna.
There is.
Okay, there.
Yes, he.
No, not here.
Arey, what? Arey,
Oh.
there is.
Thanks for telling me, Umar. Okay, guys, so we got the booyah this time. Yeah. Okay, let us come here and say what we got. Let us claim our rewards. Booyah. Wee. I'm second. I thought that Jiarul will be second and I'll be fourth or second. I mean third. Whatever, guys. Me and Evil Gamer are guys. I have another request for you that please join our guild. Okay, it's my friends guild. I mean SMG Kings guild. Don't start. Here I am here. Please guys join this guild. Okay, this is SMG Kings guild. Here I am here. Evil Gamer is also here, and this one is BD71 Rehab is actually SMG King. Okay, he changed his name again. He changed, and you can see there are many types of, and this Ishan, it is dark gaming, guys. This is, and this two I think are some more IDs of I mean this is his brother ID. Then you can see there are more, only 9 members are there. So guys, please join. You can see I have received this dog count, but I need more and more, guys. Please guys, please join our guild. Okay, wait, let me generate the guild ID. Here, guild info. Here, guys, it is the guild ID. Please join, guys. Please join. And those who didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more gameplays and videos. Goodbye, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.